Man, these old school Hirschmans with the aluminum housings like this, I think they stopped these in 83. In 84, they might have went to the plastic housing. But these early ones are so durable and they're so nice. You can open them up, you can service them, you can re-grease them, you can change the parts. They're easily repairable if there is something wrong with them. They're just far superior. And all right, guys, we're back on the wagon, and because I didn't need to remove the hydraulic shocks, they were all in good condition. I'm going to reassemble all these panels back here because everything's been thoroughly cleaned, and you have to have the panels out to remove those shocks because they're underneath a floor panel that goes along right here. But we don't need to do that. So we're going to reassemble everything, and I'm going to do it in a time lapse because it's going to take me a little while.
Turn me on, then you left my heart on the street. I'm a back alley cat, I always land on my feet. Oh, shake it off, I'll be on the backbeat. Another fancy garnish on a cold empty plate. Fool's gold, shining on the outside. Fool's gold, nothing on the inside. Had to break free, baby, you're a bad disease. Can't you see? Oh, that the damage is done.
Okay, we've got all the panels clipped in with the factory original clips. Exactly how it came from the factory. Everything is tucked up there extremely nice. And we have a perfect fitment. Now I want to go ahead and put in the spare tire. And you can see what I've got here. This is an original unused spare bunt. From the factory, they put that red dot on them. That designated that they were to be used as spares. And what you can also see is that is an original Continental tire from 1983. That is the one that came back here. You can see because it has the curb guards on here, that bump. But I want to make this car 100% original, as nice as I can, like it left the factory. I'm trying to go for like factory original. Let's go ahead and install this in the car. And you can see we have the original antenna. So before I install this, I want to make sure that original antenna is working. If not, I have to take it out and bring it over to the bench. So let's try that. Oh, wow. That thing works perfect. All right, so I'll just lubricate that, and no need to disassemble it. So let's go ahead. Man, these old school Hirschmans with the aluminum housings like this, I think they stopped these in 83. In 84, they might have went to the plastic housing. But these early ones are so durable and they're so nice. You can open them up, you can service them, you can re-grease them, you can change the parts. They're easily repairable if there is something wrong with them. They're just far superior. And I think in 84 they changed it, and you know, the 84, 85 cars, stuff started going downhill a little with quality. You start seeing a lot of plastic parts. But these 81, 82, 83 cars, awesome. So let's get our butt in here. That is the original tire. that would have been in the car. And here's the original plate. And you can see, guys, this has never been used. That is just dirt. I'll wipe that out for you guys real quick. There we go. Look at that. All right, we got the tire back in, and there's one screw still have to put in here. It goes right there. Now we're putting the screw back in here. Still have the original rubber strap up here. That's super rare. So let's put the tire cover back on. All right, now that that's back together, I want to go ahead and vacuum everything real well. Wow, you guys, that looks really nice. I see there's a little discoloration in that one spot there. Not sure what happened, but this looks fantastic for a 38-year-old wagon. What is that, 1983 to 2022? It's not horribly faded back here. All the panels are not pink. They still have all their nice brown color. God, this looks great. Here we go. Turn on our rear hatch light. Looks fantastic. Still got the original stickers back here. The chrome is in nice condition. I mean, that carpet is really, really proud of that. Let's go put the seats up. Now you got to start with the driver's side because it has the rear cargo net, and the cargo net is actually attached to the driver's side back of the seat. See how that works? And you can actually unscrew these little screws and it detaches. So let's put that up. Let's go put the other side up here. Guys, this is a fantastic wagon. 77,317 miles. All right. I still have to do the dash, but we're so close. But these nets back here, see, this pulls out. This is like the dog net. And it clips. There's some clips right up here. Let's see if I can show you. There we go. How cool is that? So it clips up there like that. And this is the luggage net here. This comes out and it actually clips in. These clips right here clip into the rear hatch so you can cover up the cargo. But that's so cool. Those are extremely hard to find if you don't have it with the car. Let's go ahead and put that back down so it doesn't get messed up. All right, there we go. And we're going to do the dash video separately. That's going to take up an entire video for the removal and installation. It's going to be a long video. So I'll go ahead and stop this one here. Everything's ready to go on this car except the dash. So stay tuned for the dash removal and install. See you guys.